Hi friends, welcome to Craft Magic. Today let's see how we can make a beautiful key holder on our own. Here I have taken a flat piece of wood. If you don't have such kind of wooden pieces, you can use cardboard also to do this craft. To color the wooden piece, I am using yellow acrylic paint. You can use any colors of your choice. After painting, we can keep this aside for drying, so by the time we can make flowers. To make the flowers, I have taken A4 size color sheets. Cut the papers into squares of size 10 by 10. To make a single flower, we need 3 papers of size 10 by 10. Fold the paper through the center into a triangle shape as shown in the video. Again fold the paper through the center to make a smaller triangle. Next you have to fold towards the edges from both the sides, as I have done in the video. Once again fold the paper as shown. Cut off the excess paper and repeat the same process for the next side. Draw petal shapes on the paper. After drawing the petal shape, you can cut out the excess paper. Make a cut through the center of the paper. It should be almost 1 inch in length. Open the paper and you will get the first layer of petals for your flowers. I have made 3 petals to make a single flower. Make a cut towards the center of the flower and cut off one sharp edge of the flower. So this will be the first layer of the flower. For the second layer of the flower, you have to do the same process, but you have to cut off 2 sharp edges from the flower. Now for the third layer, you have to cut off 3 sharp edges. And this layer will be the topmost layer of the flower. Now the 3 layers of the flower are ready. Again we have to make the center part of the flower. Take a paper with 20 cm length and 3 cm width and make fringes. Take a black color paper of size 30 cm and width 1.5 cm and make fringes as before. Apply glue on the edges of the paper and roll the paper to make the center part of the flower. Once you have rolled the paper, you can shape them with the help of your fingers. Apply glue on the other sheet of paper and stick the black color paper on top and roll them together. Take the first layer of petal and apply glue on the place where we have cut off the sharp edge and stick both the edges together. Do the same for the next two sets of paper. With the help of scissors, just shape the edges of the petal. Apply glue at the center and stick all the layers together. So your first layer will be the one where you have cut out the single sharp edge of the paper, and the second layer would be the one which you have cut out two sharp edges, and the third layer would be the one which you have cut out three sharp edges, and finally you can place the center part which you have made using both the colors, that is pink color paper and the black color paper. I have made one more flower. Now next we will make leaves for the flower. Take a green color sheet of paper of length 30 cm and width 4 cm, and you have to fold it thrice. Draw a leaf shape on the paper and cut out the shape from the paper. You can see here that I have taken two shades of green to make the leaf. Take a leaf, apply a little glue at the base part of the leaf and hold the edges together to get a shape like this, which I have shown in the video. Now repeat the same process for the remaining leaves. I have used two adhesive command hooks to hang the keys. The paint on the wooden piece is completely dry. Next we will arrange the flowers and leaves on this wooden piece. Again we can start sticking the leaves and flowers on the board. I have sticked all the flowers and leaves and the command hook also. Now next you have to color this command hook. I am using pink acrylic paint to color. Using this double-sided tape, you can stick the key holder on the wall. Our beautiful key holder is ready now. You can stick this on the wall and use it to hang your keys. This is a beautiful flower arrangement done by a subscriber friend. Thank you for sending me the pics. And if you are new to my channel and not watched my flower arrangement video, please do watch the video. I have provided the link in the description as well as in the comment box. Thank you for watching.